All right, this is second grade homework practice 12-9. Again, we're working on precision. All right, let's take a look here. It says Amy uses a button to measure the length of a glue stick. She knows one button is 1 centimeter. She finds that the glue stick is 5 centimeters. Amy used a ruler to check her work. She started at the 0 mark. Okay? Amy got the same answer both times. She knows her work is precise. It helps to measure twice. Okay? Solve the problem. You can use the string or buttons to help. Find the length of the chain at the right. Estimate and use tools to measure. So I am going to estimate that if I know a button's about 1 inch, I'm going to go 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to estimate that it's 9 centimeters. Now this time I'm going to use my string. I'm going to lay it down on top. I'm going to curve it around, stop it about right there, and then I'm going to measure it on my ruler, and my ruler tells me it's about 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. So my guess was pretty close. So let's go ahead and take a look at our back page here. Okay? Shoes have different sizes and shapes. Oh, they definitely do at my house. One of my sons wears size 14 shoes, like adult size 14. It's crazy. All right, the picture shows the bottom of a shoe. What is the total distance around the bottom of one of your shoes? So what we're going to be doing is measuring a circle around the edge of one of your shoes. And I'm going to use my son's shoe because I've got it handy. Okay, what units of measure will you use? I'm going to use inches. Okay, I'm going to use inches. Let's see, explain, because they're big, but I know I don't want to use yards. His foot isn't that big. I'm going to say I will use inches and explain because I know it's smaller than a yard. I know I don't want to use a yardstick. Okay? What is the distance around one of your shoes? Explain how you found it. So I'm going to take this ginormous shoe here. It can hardly fit in the screen. And I'm going to take this string because, again, it's a curvy line. So I'm going to take this shoelace. I'm going to start it at one end. I'm going to run it around the edge, bring it around the other edge, bring it around till it meets. And then I'm going to take the string here and I'm going to measure it. So I've got my ruler here, and it's 12 inches, so 1 foot, 2 feet. Oh my goodness, I maybe should have used a yardstick. 2 feet and 6 inches. So I have 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 6 inches is how big this shoe is. Now your shoes should not be this big. If they are, holy cow. So I know that this is 24. 24 plus 6 equals 30 inches. Okay? And I could say I found it by measuring with a string and a ruler. Okay? Number 4, explain how you could use the other shoe to check your work. So you could also measure your other shoe, and both shoes should be exactly the same. So you could say, I could measure the other shoe, and if it's the same, I did it correctly. So it's a great way to be able to check your work. And again, you can pause the video as you need to. I know it's a lot of writing. And again, you don't have to put it in the words that I wrote down. You can put it in your own words as well. All right, great job, everybody.